Welcome to Top Rated. Top 10 Best Portable Washing Machine of 2022. Top 1. RCA-RPW302 Portable Washing Machine, 3.0 cubic feet, white. Compact with a large capacity, this 3.0 cubic feet washer allows you to wash more clothes, linens, and beddings in just one load. Advanced technology: when the machine is turned on, the transparent top enables you to see and monitor the water and garments within. Electronic controls with a one-touch readout and an LED display. Simplify cycle selection while maintaining accurate cycle timing. Easy and convenient, just press start. And you're good to go. Even if you want to change any settings, they're just a click away. Choose from a variety of fully automatic wash cycles and water level options. Top loading: the top loading hole eases the process of loading your towels, clothes, bedding, etc. It provides easy access to the stainless steel water basin. Silent: washing machines are notorious for creating noises that might wake up your neighbors, but this RCA washing machine has an operational sound of less than 72 decibels, making your and your neighbors' lives simpler and quieter. Top 2. Panda 11 pounds Portable Washing Machine. This washer is a space-saving design which makes your laundry easy and simple. It is perfect for apartment, RV, vacation home, dorm, and second washer for your house. Larger size 1.6 Cu.ft capacity allows you to fit up to 11 pounds of cloth. Electronic touchpad controls and LED display. Delay start available. Upgraded with an extra control lock option. Regular 3 prongs 110 voltage can be plugged anywhere. 2 built-in rollers increase mobility for easy move around. Large see-through viewing lid and stainless steel tub. 3D waterfall. Pulsator generates strong and weak water flows. 6 washing program provide flexible washing options: normal, quick, heavy, bulky, delicate and spin only. Upgraded with an extra rinse function. 2 rear inlets for easy installation. Connect the washer directly to your faucet with the included quick connect adapter kit and hoses. Top 3. COMFEE 1.6 Cu.ft Portable Washing Machine, 11 pounds capacity fully automatic compact washer with wheels, 6 wash programs. Laundry washer with drain pump, ideal for apartment, RV, camping. Magnetic gray. Easy to use, this portable washing machine has 6 most commonly used programs including normal, quick, heavy, bulky, delicate, and spin only. You are allowed to quickly start the machine the way you like. You can also add extra rinse time by pressing the extra rinse button. The washer also has 3 water temperatures, meet your different laundry needs. And it comes with a clear lid that allows you to look over the status of clothing at any time. Space saving: with only 20.7 inch in width, 20.3 inch in depth, and 36.6 inch in height, this compact washer is able to be stored easily. Fits in your room or dormitory nicely. The large capacity of 1.6 Cu.ft top load washer can hold 11 pounds of cloth. It equips with a stainless steel inner tub which lasts longer. Extremely energy saving, this washing machine equips with high quality and durable motor, providing stable power. Saving as much as 84% energy consumption comparing to similar models, our washing machine is able to save money for your household. Top 4. RCA-RPW210C Portable Washer LED Digital Display Panel 5 cycles Top Loading Design Low Noise Washing Machine, 2.1 cubic feet, white. Compact design: this 2.1 cubic feet washer allows you to wash more clothes, linens, and beddings in just one load. It weighs just 100 pounds and has wheels, meaning it's really easy to move around, and with 21x22x36 inches dimensions it fits perfectly in your laundry area or wherever you want it. Advanced technology: when the machine is turned on, the transparent top enables you to see and monitor the water and garments within. Electronic controls with a one-touch readout and an LED display. Simplify cycle selection while maintaining accurate cycle timing. easy and convenient, just press start. And you're good to go. Even if you want to change any settings, they're just a click away. Choose from a variety of fully automatic wash cycles. Top loading. The top loading hole eases the process of loading your towels, clothes, bedding, etc. It provides easy access to the stainless steel water basin. Top 5. BLACK+DECKER BPW M16W Portable Washer, White. Small portable washing machine, ideal for camping trips and RVs, apartments, and boats or dorms. Our clothes washer is compact but powerful. It's easily stored or moved in small spaces, and connects to a faucet with the included drain hose and sink adapter. Steam function. No steam, convenient design and large capacity, with a 1.6 cubic feet tub that washes up to 11 pounds of laundry in 15 to 59 minutes. This top-loading portable washer machine, 20.3 x 36.6 x 20.7 inches, has an easy-to-use LED digital display panel and a clear top window. Voltage, volts, 120 V, auto cycle programs and water settings. Meet all your laundry needs with normal, heavy, delicate, quick, bulky, and spin-only cycles. Control the soak, wash, rinse, and spin cycles with the push of a button, and adjust the water level based on load size. Energy efficiency tier rating, not CE rated. Top 6. Portable washing machine. Nictemaw portable washer, 17.5 pounds capacity, full automatic compact laundry washer with drain pump, 10 programs/8 water levels, LED display, faucet adapter, ideal for home, apartments, sink. 2-inch-1 full automatic washer and spin dryer combo. Designed with a full automatic system, equipped with a single cylinder and drain pump, the washing machine not only can be used to wash your clothes but also for drying them. And washing and dehydration can be used separately. You only need to set the washing spinning program, and then it can work alone. The washing machine is equipped with an extended drain pipe and a drain pump to help your washing machine drain water easily and quickly. Multi-function control panel. There are 10 programs on the control panel, 8 water level selections and timer on the LED display. All functions and operations are clearly listed, including water level rotation, program delay, time setting and child lock. It also includes detergent and program options to meet your needs for selecting the appropriate programs and water level according to different cloth. Equipped with a faucet adapter to meet the needs of the faucet interface. Top 7. Panda portable washing machine, 10 pounds capacity, 10 wash programs, 2 built-in rollers, casters, compact top-load cloth washer, 1.34 Cu.ft. It is a space-saving design which makes your laundry easy and simple. It is perfect for apartment, RV, vacation home, dorm, and second washer for your house. Enhanced version, 2 built-in rollers, casters increase mobility for easy move around. Logger size 1.34 cubic feet capacity allows you to hold up to 10 pounds of cloth. Timeless design, regular 3 prongs, 110 voltage which can be plugged anywhere, electronic controls with LED display. 10 washing programs and 5 water levels. Stainless steel drum is durable and resists rust and chipping. Connect the washer directly to your faucet with the included Quick Connect adapter kit, US standard size faucet adapter, and hose. Top 8. Giantex portable mini compact twin tub washing machine, 17.6 pounds washer, Spain spinner portable washing machine, blue plus white. Easy to operate. This is our portable mini compact twin tub washing machine which is easy for you to operate, saving so much time that you don't have to go to a laundromat or wash things by hand in the tub. 17.6 pounds large capacity. Washing tube, place clothing in the wash tub section, rated washing capacity, 11 pounds. Run the rinse cycle for the desired minutes, rated spinner dryer capacity, 6.6 pounds. Half of the washing capacity, you may spin twice. Semi-automatic, relieve you from hand washing. This washing machine washer timer for 15 minutes and the spin timer to 5 minutes per load. You could choose the suitable time when washing. Much more freedom and options as opposed to standard washing machines that have pre-programmed settings. 300W wash power and 110W spin power? Ideal for small loads and delicate. Lightweight and easily movable. Also the wash motor is powerful. 300W washing power and 110W spinner power will help you powerful use the item. Top 9. COMFEE Portable Washing Machine, 0.9 Cu.ft Compact Washer with LED display, 5 wash cycles, 2 built-in rollers, space-saving full automatic washer, ideal laundry for RV, dorm, apartment, magnetic gray. The full automatic washing machine equipped with heavy, soft, normal, rapid, and soak 5 programs and 3 water levels. You are allowed to quickly start the machine the way you like. You are also welcome to customize your washing program by selecting load size, adding wash time, rinse time, and spin time. This top-load compact washing machine with only 18.1 inches in width, 17.7 inches in depth, and 31.5 inches in height, this portable washer is able to be stored easily. You can store it in your cabinet, RV, dorm, or even bathtub. Even better, it comes with wheels and handles for easy movement. It is a perfect choice for small households with limited space and minimal optimal. With a transparent lid design, this washing machine allows you to see and monitor the water and washing conditions. Featuring a durable rust-resistant steel inner tub, vent filter, water inlet and drain pump which allows you to easily drain out dirty water. In addition, this portable laundry washing machine has an LED display that shows the time left to finish. Top 10. ROVSUN 10.4 pounds portable washing machine with twin-tub electric compact mini washer, energy save space, laundry spin cycle with hose, perfect for home RV camping dorms college room. Portable capacity, the capacity of total laundry 10.4 pounds, washer 6.6 pounds. Spinner 3.8 pounds, featuring spin wash and spin dry, washing and dehydration functions can be used at the same time. What's more, stainless steel washing dewatering cylinder for its upgraded quality. Easy operation, 1300 RPMs motor with a voltage frequency of 110V/60 Hz, allowing you to simply put in your load of clothes and fill with water, then set the timer and start washing. Washer control timer runs for up to 15 minutes while the spin cycle timer runs for up to 5 minutes each load. Clean washing, compact but able to fit in a decent sized load of clothing. You will amazed at how clean it getting everything, perfect for washing various clothes, like t-shirt, socks and trousers etc. Smart design, body size 21.8L x 14.8W x 23.2H. It's smart enough to put inside a camper or bring to a caravan, or even a hotel room if you really wanted to. Perfect for apartment, dorms, college rooms, RV camping etc. Thanks for watching, please like and share and subscribe our channel.